Oh, this is so embarrassing to talk about, for real. But I think I have failed what I started. And yeah, I have really failed what I started. And I'm not going to blame it on anybody. I really blame myself. Alright, so if you don't know me, my name is Johnny and I am a full stack developer. And recently I was building something which I've been posting around on TikTok and here on YouTube and Instagram as well. And not to lie, it was going pretty well. It was really moving and improving a lot. But lately, there've been some kind of a twist, which I need to talk to you about because I'm building that in public, and you all should know the ups and downs in it, the progress that I'm making, and the regression that I'm also making. Yeah. So let me talk to you about it. I don't know, but I haven't been busy, but it feels like I have, although I'm not doing really anything. Like I'm kind of lazy. I don't know if it's imposter syndrome or not, which is really pushing me back to do what I'm supposed to do because yeah, I don't really know. But it's just not working. So I think I need to step back and redo everything from fresh. And based on the analysis that I did, I figured out it's mainly because of poor planning. So I didn't really plan well to do it. I feel like I rushed into it and maybe picked the wrong stack or implemented the wrong procedures. But I think I really need to take a break. I need to put stuff down and start all over again, give a shot at it. I'm not quitting it though because you don't have to give up on it. Yeah, so I'm going to stop production for one runs up and restart everything with React. Still, I'm considering maybe starting it all over with Next.js, or maybe I'll go for React on Vite because it's faster and I've been making web with it for quite some days now, and I've seen it very faster than using traditional Create React app. They've even removed it from the official docs website, so it's pretty much good. So yeah, I'm going to start it all over again, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. Yeah. But I'm still leaving it on my portfolio though. You can check it out, and I've disabled the upload so you can't upload anymore, and so the database don't get flooded or something. But it still displays and works perfectly fine. And yeah, link is in the description. You can check it out and check out my handles too. I'm out.